is Maria H.S. Halatokan with NIM 1913-13063. I will explain the working principle of the paraffin bed tool in order to meet the requirements for the midterm exam. Okay, first, the definition of paraffin bed. Paraffin bed is a physiotherapy modality using wax as the medium, which is heat at a certain temperature. In principle, this therapy is a therapy that used at a relatively high temperature or heat. Paraffin is usually added a little oil and heat at temperature more or less 55 degrees Celsius. The initial component of paraffin comes from crude mineral oil, which is produced by refining or separating the wax from the crude mineral oil. The refining process is through a process of boiling, cooling, and filtering into a waxy, heavy oil substance, and the final result is a paraffin wax. This can last all colorless, tasteless, and sometimes scented with aromatherapy, depending on the therapeutic goals to be expected from laboratory test results. This paraffin wax is quite safe for external and hygienic use. Paraffin bed indication therapy. Using paraffin wax is carried out in the following conditions: arthritis, skin disorders such as eczema, fibromyalgia, fibrositis, inflammation of muscles and other joints, muscle spasms, shifty joints, tendonitis, tennis elbow. Paraffin bed contraindication. Treatment using paraffin wax is not recommended for sufferance, hypertension, diabetes mellitus, and varicose veins or superficial outermost veins. Paraffin bed management techniques. Paraffin wax, which is initially frozen in the form of blocks, is usually placed in a closed container equipped with a heating element that will melt the paraffin wax and maintain the temperature so that it is quite comfortable and not too hot when used, which is between about 48.8 degrees to negative 57.2 degrees. Before doing the therapy, all parts of the body that will be soaked in paraffin wax must be cleaned of any dirt and jewelry that sticks to the skin. It is advisable to wash thoroughly and dry the area to be treated before the treatment session. Okay, and now to the point. Principles of paraffin bed therapy. On parts of the body that are sore or injured will be doused or immersed in a container containing paraffin wax, which is melted using a certain temperature. The heat effect obtained from the melting wax will soothe or relax the soft tissues being treated, open pores and increased blood flow and circulation. This is good for relieving aches or pains, muscle and joint stiffness because it removes excess fluid in the surrounding soft tissue. In addition, the nature of the wax itself able to moisturize the skin or body so that it gives skin rejuvenation effect and the skin looks smooth and soft.